There is no impossibilities in the dictionary of a doer, and this is because doers are goal-getters, and for that, they get their results. When you invest in off-land properties, you are preparing yourself for an excellent future. Today at Easton, Maryland, we bring to you ongoing activities. From the entrance here, the construction of external drainage is ongoing. Meanwhile, the drain excavation and mass concrete blinding has been done, and presently installation of reinforcement to drain base and drain wall is in progress. Come, let's see what is happening in there. Wow, as you can see, sand filling is also ongoing at Easton, Maryland. We've had a lot of sand coming. This place is going to be massive. As you can see now, work has started at Easton, Maryland. It is only impossible if you haven't started.